Just like we predicted, guys. It has only been a couple of days. It hasn't even been 2 weeks yet since the 0.5% burn tax on Terra Luna Classic has been implemented. And here we are looking to raise that tax once again. I don't know what it is about these 18-day time frames, but people in the Terra Luna Classic community are extremely impatient. So we're going to be talking a little bit about that in this video. We're going to be talking about how they want to raise it from 0.5% to 1.5% of every transaction. Of course, this could increase the amount of burns. It could increase the amount that goes to the community pool. We're going to break that down in a second here and talk about it. But we've also got some major burns from Binance coming in today. Talk about that as well. Welcome to Terra Classic Update, your source for the latest news and insights on the Luna cryptocurrency. Stay up to date with our in-depth analysis, expert insights, and up-to-the-minute news. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve in the world of Luna. Alright, we got a lot to talk about and a lot to cover in this video. You know what? First and foremost, let's just get this new proposal out of the way. Then we're gonna jump into the Binance numbers, burning $1 billion plus Terra Luna Classic. We're gonna talk about how the current burn tax is working and of course, contributions to the community pool as well. Guys, we do have a new proposal, 11,549, and at the moment, it seems to be splitting the Terra Luna Classic community once again. But let's just kind of look at some bullet points. Instead of going through the entirety of the Agora discussion and breaking it down that way, let's go through some bullet points to see what this new proposal would do. If it gets some yes votes, it's going to be up for 7 days clearly. Now, if the signaling proposal passes, the 1.5% on-chain tax is going to be a 1.2% burn tax and a 0.3% community pool funding tax. The parameter change proposal is going to be on June 8th. If this proposal does pass now, if that passes on June 15th, it is going to go into effect on around June 21st on the chain. Then the comprehensive plan to convince exchanges to apply the 1.2% burn tax off-chain on buys and sells is live and will go into action. Let me say this, okay, I don't care how persuasive anybody in the Terra Luna Classic community thinks that they are. I am highly skeptical, if not extremely doubtful, and would be willing to say you will not convince the major exchanges to add or implement any additional tax. They are not going to take themselves out of competition. For example, if Binance were to apply a 1.5% tax on all Terra Luna Classic transactions, and KuCoin had no tax on Terra Luna Classic transactions, people that are out there trading hundreds of thousands of dollars a day in this cryptocurrency would be foolish to choose Binance. Why would they burn thousands of dollars a day? Why would they pay additional thousands of dollars a day in a tax when they simply don't have to? Now, that's what CZ Binance was warning everybody about back in September, October, whenever it was that he sent that tweet that said, whales will not trade a 1.2% tax. Now I do agree with that. I don't think that it's hindered the 0.5% tax hasn't hindered the $50,000 a day on-chain volume that we're currently seeing. But I cannot see millions of dollars a day being traded on these exchanges going through a 1.2% or even higher tax. Now, if you can convince every exchange to add it and level the playing field so I don't have the option to go over to KuCoin and save 1.5% on every transaction, then it might be possible. Not gonna be easy though, guys. Certainly not gonna be easy to do. So now, if you stake with the validator that put this out there, obviously he's already voted yes on his own proposal. And if you don't, he wants you to vote against your validator, of course if they voted no. So there's a lot of proposals floating around out there right now. But this is very strange, guys. Just because somebody's got a vision of how to take Terra Luna Classic to $1 if you want all of the information there. Here's the thing, guys, it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy to take Terra Luna Classic to $1 that's a multi-trillion-dollar valuation right now. And just because somebody's got an idea and somebody's got a plan does not mean that it's going to be coming to fruition. But nonetheless, this is exactly what we talked about for Terra Luna Classic. They see the current burn tax is working and they want to be the ones to increase it. They want to be the ones to implement it. They want to feed off of that energy and increase the tax further now. I don't have a problem if we sustain these levels on a 0.5% burn tax and then we slowly continue to increase the burn tax so that we slowly increase burns and people get used to the volume and used to the fees and so on. But right now, man, you can't just triple the tax and expect it to be okay 10 days after the previous proposal went into effect. Now let's talk about Binance burns briefly, and let's talk about what this burn tax is doing. Binance coming in and burning over 1 billion Terra Luna Classic today, and that is a huge amount for anybody to be burning. But that number is decreasing. Guys, we have watched the Binance burns decrease and decrease and decrease. And just to put it into context, man, and give a little shout out to lunc protocol out there. They burned more Terra Luna Classic in May than Binance is burning from their May transaction fees. So a lot of these apps and a lot of these guys that are building around Terra Luna Classic right now really stepping up in a huge way. So, lunc protocol, thank you very much for all of the burns that you had in May. You outpaced Binance, the largest exchange by volume in the entire world. Congratulations on that one. And that does go to show you guys what is possible if you put your mind to it and if you believe you are capable of doing so, so congratulations to that one. Let's talk about the most recent burn numbers on May 31. 37 million Terra Luna Classic was burned by the burn tax there. And that continues to be much more elevated than the 12.15 to 18.14.18 that was being burned prior to the burn tax increasing. The community pool contribution increased, or the community pool increased by 11 million Terra Luna Classic on May 31st. So it continues to do at least double what the community pool was increasing by back before the burn tax increased. Guys, these numbers are looking very good right now. People may be trying to take advantage of it a little bit with these increased proposals for increased taxes and so on. But nonetheless, we are doing well right now. We should celebrate the fact that we are doing well. When the overall market recovers is when I expect the Terra Luna Classic price to recover. Are you excited about the Binance burns? Are you excited about the burn text? Are you excited about anything in Terra Luna Classic? That's all for today's update on Luna cryptocurrency. We hope you found our analysis and insights valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Luna and other exciting blockchain projects. And as always, thanks for tuning into Terra Classic Update. We'll see you in the next one.